At All Energy Solar, I know we don't just look at our projects as a transaction. Our method is much more long viewing than that. We know that there's a commitment to installing a renewable energy project at your home or at your business. We know that our customers are going to want somebody reliable to not only get them set up with that project, but provide the necessary support. And that's the full package that we offer at All Energy Solar that we're even seeing as our industry grows. Not all companies are fully committed to.
Yeah, we strive for a 5-star experience. People say that all the time, but we really do. And we do that by ensuring that we are open, honest, transparent, and that we give that customer all of the details that they need about their project throughout the entire process.
We are a company that is here to do the right thing for people that are passionate about environmental changes and their impact, and just the motivation that I'm going to sell you a product that I'm going to help support for the lifespan of the system.
What is the difference? Yeah, at the end of the day, yes, you maybe got the same end product, but you probably didn't get the same experience. You probably didn't get the same level of communication, and you probably aren't going to get the same service on the back end.
We have a lot of capacity to cover all the different unique ins and outs that these projects require. And we strive to do every bit of the project process with our own team. And that not only preserves our ability to have great control over the process and not have to worry about too many outside factors, but also to establish a relationship with a customer that we know we're going to maintain long term.
We are doing something great, and we're continually on the verge of doing something great, and everybody feels bought in. That's one of our strongest core values, is the want to win. And everybody here wants that. We want to win, and so we're constantly moving that bar and seeing how do we continue to do our best and do so creatively and as a team.
Doing the right thing for the environment, doing the right thing for your customers, doing the right thing for your employees. If you take those things into consideration on the majority or all of your decisions, everyone leaves that conversation or that situation feeling better.
I think a challenging part of any solar company is just being efficient when it comes to install process and time frames and the weather that we have to deal with. I think All Energy Solar does a fantastic job of that. The install crews are top notch. I think the survey department's top notch. It seems like they really care about the employees and communities they work in. They care about the people, they care about the reputation of green energy, and overall, they just care about putting solar on as many properties as it can, basically helping to offset the emissions in the country.
This isn't gutters. This isn't just a roofing product. This is an experience, and it doesn't need to change your life, but it can if you want it to be, and we want to be a part of that.
We are becoming nationally recognized as a top solar installer, so I guess what excites me is just we're having a direct impact every single day on what our energy infrastructure and clean energy future looks like.
They've been family owned and profitable since 2009. They make an impact on homes and businesses across the country, and they have a great, fully supportive bunch of people that really know how to serve each other, work together, and make sure that there's a success story and a wonderful experience for the customer.
I have 2 young children. I'm experiencing firsthand climate change. It's very real. What the end result is going to be, I don't know. But I want to know that I'm doing my part, and I'm doing everything I can to make the world a better place for the future generations to come.
And so that's really what's exciting and what drives us, and what we ultimately want to get to is solar for everyone.